Time life, yes. Hi everybody, I'm Veret and I'm happy to be here again. We did it live. And before yesterday, we painted this one together. So you can find the videos online on my channel, Easy Painting Veret. And you can see it. Each tutorial is about 1 hour. And you have also shorter videos for each tutorial for about 10 minutes. So you can watch both, whatever you like. Those two we did already, and I'm going to cover it with warm gray. Almost too much paint. Take a little bit out. Okay, this is how it looks when it's dry. So I need my traceable. I trace everything and I put it on the side. I'm taking my pencil to go over the lines if I don't see it right. So I just go over the lines here that I can see it better later. The lips. Okay. And all I do, I'm mixing my paint always with white. So I take a little bit of white and a little bit of yellow. You see? And I decide where to put the spots on her face. I don't know yet. I'm just trying. You see, I just cover the eye. But it's not bad. You can always put this. That's the yellow. Maybe here also a little bit. Here. I don't know exactly what's right and what's wrong. I'm just trying it. And it's only the first layer. You see? You see? Don't mix your white with your magenta like I did now. Okay, here we go. So I'm mixing my blue with yellow. You know, you get green if you mix it together. You can cover all the eye. Here we go. And I will add some white. Taking just white, it's only white without any other color. It's clean white. And I will put it, here we go, like this. As I said, it's only the first layer. And here the same. And here also. Perfect. There she is. Here a little bit, here, maybe here. Not too much. My background color, these colors are already dry, so they don't mix together. Okay, so leave it like this. And here a little bit. And here. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's good. Georgia, you are. I think I'm going to leave it like this. Now I have to work on the lips because it doesn't look good, not yet. It will be, but not yet. So I'm taking my magenta with white. So I use it for the lighter spots on the lips. And we will do this. You see? The color underneath it's already dry, so you can, it's not black, it's dark blue, it's just this primary blue, yes? I will use black later. Well, it's only blue now. Okay. It's nice. And she's getting also shadow here underneath her lips. Yes, like this. Oh, perfect. And also in the middle. You see, I don't use many colors, it's only the primary colors today. And this warm gray. Yes, it looks good already. I want this part of her eye to be lighter. So I'm not taking my green here a little bit. And here. Here. And here. Great. Here we go. It shows through. Make us so wild eyebrows. Here we go. Yes, this one looks good already, and I will do the other side also with the same technique. I'm just cleaning my brush, and she's getting some, yeah, here. Like this. A bit more color. Here we go. Perfect. So she has here a bit more paint. Here we go. Okay. And here a little bit. That's all. So it looks. Yes, we will leave it like this now. I think I'm happy with this. Maybe a little bit of black again. It's not too light, I want it a little bit darker. Great. Here we go. So now I'm using the same brush. Forgot the eye. So I'm doing now the eye. It's always the nicest part of the painting. And also here. You see? This part of her eye will be red a little bit. You see? And here also. And some of them go up here. See. the shadows also, like before. I dry my brush and I do some shadows. Here also some shadows. And here a lot of shadow. You know, you don't see the corner of the eye anymore. Like this. And here it's just dark. You see? And above the eye. Perfect. And here also a bit. Here we go. And I will give a little bit shadow on her cheek. Here. 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 And here maybe. Let's see. Here. Here. Start with here. She is one. And the second one here. Be dry, yeah? You can't paint on wet paint. Must be dry. 1 and 2, like this. Not too much. Let's give it here some highlight. Here she is. How it looks. It looks nice. Okay. And here one. That's it. And maybe here one. Perfect. It took me also 1 hour. And I say thank you very much from Munich.